What is that?
It smells fantastic, doesn't it?
It's like, oh my god. Every time I walk in the street, I get so hungry. What is that?
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another fantastic day here in Kathmandu.
This morning we're off to learn how to make our favourite Nepali cuisine, momos.
We've booked through a company called Backstreet Academy.
And the best part is we're going to be learning how to make these momos inside of an actual Nepalese family home, which I'm so excited for. We thought today we'd walk via the back streets to get to Kathmandu where our cooking class is, because we thought that it would be a little bit less crazy, but actually I think it's even more crazier. This is insane. Look at all of this. It's like cars, motorbikes, people, chickens, kids running around. It's madness.
Ooh, check this out. We're gonna squeeze by.
Hello guys, so I was a translator for today. So you're all welcome to my country, Nepal. And if you come to Nepal, you have to book your tour in a Backstreet Academy. That's where they booked from and I work for. Thank you. Namaste. What's good?
That's good. And your names were? It was
Purna.
Purna and Dill. These are the amazing
Purna
guys.
mean complete, Dill mean hot.
So we're making veg momos, right?
Veg ones, yes please.
Capsicum, carrot, onion, soybean Nutella, spring onion and boiled potatoes. And spices, momo masala, turmeric, chili powder, salt, ginger and garlic paste. 1 spoon, big one.
Oh.
Little bit more.
Oh, more.
Half more. Okay. Okay. And turmeric, just little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah. And mustard oil, 3 to 4 spoons.
So,
Oh. That's better.
Sally got a hairdresser.
So we're currently making the dough for momos, and Ed is mixing a mixture of just amazing things that is going to be the filling.
Yeah, so we got some mixed vegetables, carrot, onion, just mashing some potatoes with my hands.
What does it feel like?
It's sticky and gooey.
Slowly, okay?
Got
Slowly.
slowly.
Sorry.
Am I doing this right? Gotta really like work it. Ugh. I think you got the easier job. Is it good?
Good.
It's hard work.
Hot.
So first of all, we kneaded our dough. We rolled it into little tiny pieces and then we flattened it out into pieces that look like this. And now we are rolling them out into perfect circles. This reminds me of being a kid, like rolling Play-Doh.
What's your rolling skills?
Yeah, they see me rolling.
Okay. And good.
And okay.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm discovering that I can't use a rolling pin properly. It's actually a lot harder than it looks.
Same as you.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and twist.
We're gonna attempt to make the momos just like he did. Guys, wish us luck. 3.
Tip top. Press.
Press.
Yes. Rotate. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Spin. Rotate.
Okay.
1, 2, inside.
Oh, 2, 3. Oh no, this is really hard.
Yeah.
I have not done so well.
First attempt is the first.
Thumb finger is push vegetables and 2 fingers use tips. Yeah.
Okay.
Press. Yes. Next pins. Move. And this finger is push vegetables. No. And twist. Okay.
How'd your first attempt go?
Not great. I'll try again.
Pins, small pins.
Yeah.
2 fingers, yeah. Small pins, yeah. More press. Yeah. Move. Yes. Pins and twist. Yes.
I am the Momo master.
Let's see.
I am the Momo master.
Yeah, you did it. I made this one. Look, I did it. Look.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at all the momos we made. Momos.
Drink alcohol, homemade.
Yeah. I'll
Okay.
try some.
Okay.
Guys, some more.
I made. Yeah.
You made the alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Cool. We're gonna try some homemade alcohol.
In the middle. Yeah. Cheers. Momo's cheers.
You don't drink all in one, do you? No, slowly.
Oh.
Slowly. Oh, that's strong and nice. That's nice. Oh,
Good.
Strong.
very strong though. Sauce goes in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, guys, that is so good.
This is definitely one of mine. You can see. That's how I do the ending. Because I forgot to fold it over again, so it came out a bit longer. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Of course, I'm going to say it tastes delicious because I made it, but it's delicious.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. These were the amazing people that taught us how to make momos today. Thank you.
I know. I shouldn't have had two. You had two? Two. Oh. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it. This is our tour guide.
I am.
He's a legend. When you book, ask for him. He's really cool.
Yeah, he was
I am.
the Guys, I am so glad we did that. That has been the best thing we have done so far since being here in Kathmandu.
That was just awesome.
That was awesome. Our guide was amazing. The two people that were teaching us how to cook were just so lovely and so patient because we were not so good at making these momos happen. It is so much harder than you think.
Yeah. Though by the end of it, I feel like I could go home and attempt a momo. Yeah, definitely do a cooking class when
Yeah.
you're in Kathmandu. What a great time.
So we booked our class through Backstreet Academy and we will link the details for them down below. So if you guys are in Kathmandu and you want to check them out and do a cooking class as well, which we cannot recommend enough, make sure you go and do that. So we will link the details down below, so if you want to do it, you can too.
Cool. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, please do.
You wouldn't believe that 90% of our viewers, true fact, 90% of our viewers have not subscribed. So just do it. You've got
Do us a
5
favor.
seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you do it? Did you subscribe?
Hope so. Anyway.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe because we are going to be in Nepal for another couple of weeks, so expect a few more amazing, expect quite a few more amazing Nepalese videos, and then guys, we're off to India! Woo! So make sure you subscribe.
See you in the next one.